Rock.Paper.Draw.
Are you ready to draw Winnie the Pooh with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by using black marker and drawing the outline of Winnie the Pooh's head and ears, and his cute button nose. Here is his shirt and his arm. Now onto his honey pot. Look at that oozing honey. Winnie the Pooh loves honey, and there is the rest of his honey pot and t-shirt. Now onto his big squishy belly and his legs. Up near his nose is a friendly little bee. Bees are never far away from honey. Can you make the sound of the bee with me? Buzz, buzz, buzz. That's the outline done. On to painting Winnie the Pooh. I am using a yellow color for his fur. I will start with his head and ears, then on to the arm, and the legs. Now for a light brown color for the honey, and a dark brown color for the honey pot. And pop! There is a red color for the t-shirt. On to painting the friendly bee. I am using an orange color to paint the middle stripe of the bee and a yellow color to paint the other two stripes of the bee. And now to paint the wings of the bee, I am using a dark blue color. Here I am writing the word honey. That is how Winnie the Pooh spells it. He is so funny. Now I have my black marker to go over the outline of Winnie the Pooh again. And that's it. I'm all finished. Do you think Winnie the Pooh liked his honey? Maybe he will share some with his friends Christopher Robin, Eeyore, Piglet, Rabbit, and Tigger. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and get in touch by commenting with what drawings you would like to see me do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.